Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. I'm David. Today I want to review this device that my phone is actually in right now that follows you as you move around in your area. As you can see, I'm going to move around. Please disregard the mess of the shop. But it gives you almost like you have your own cameraman to help you do your videos. I do a lot of videos on different products and also woodworking and with my Jeep going off-roading. This is great for me not having to worry about being centered in the camera all the time, because with this, the camera right here on the front follows you, your shirt, your face, whatever it's detecting, and it will turn in a 360-degree turn. It comes with the ability for this to turn into landscape mode or turn it to portrait mode. They are spring-loaded to hold your phone in there nice and secure. It's got a USB plug that comes with it to charge the device with. So far I've had a lot of fun with this device, just being able to appear that I've actually got a cameraman watching me and moving the camera around to make it more interactive and a better video. You can get yourself one of these on Amazon. Link is down in the description below.